I recently migrated my Outcomes GPT plugin over to Codex using the new format. And what this plugin does, it talks to my outcomes-based roadmap tool. So you can create a single roadmap, and then under the roadmap you can have objectives, and then under the objectives you can have key results. Additionally, you can create a product canvas, so you can define your problem, opportunities, etc. And what this canvas does, it actually helps automate the roadmap items also. But what I wanted to do was create a plugin which allowed you to work within a prompt window and actually generate the product canvas and roadmap items all together, including the key results and objectives. So what we'll do here, we'll delete this placeholder prompt and we'll paste in a pre-prepared one. And additionally, we will add, actually we'll wait for it to ask us for the API key. So this is just a basic potential opportunity in terms of a product idea, and it will generate the product canvas, roadmap themes, which could be completed quarterly, and then under each theme we'll have objectives and key results. So let's hit send. And while that is doing its thing, we will pre-prepare our API key. So we'll just generate that. And copy that in there. Let's just mention that there's no pre-existing canvas or roadmap content. If there is existing content, it will actually review it, just to ensure there's no double up, basically. And what the plugin is doing, it's talking to the back end, and then it will push the content in, and then it will be revealed in the front end. And there's our product canvas being pushed through right now. And now what it's doing is generating the roadmap themes based off the product canvas. And here's the local AI version. You just need to paste in your API key. But it's a bit cumbersome to set up an API key, and working within Codex or something similar, it is the more user-friendly approach. Where you don't need to find an API key, you can just work directly within your tool of choice, or push the content into the application. And there's the roadmap items. We could have been using the browser within Codex, but in this case we're just using an external browser. And yeah, so we can review the product canvas, we can edit it, we can delete it, we can download it. But the magic is really here. So these are the draft roadmap themes that it created, different opportunities, things to look into. And we could potentially start our first objective. We can edit and update. Yeah, so yeah, it just makes creating objectives and key results relatively simple. And now we're in more of a draft mode to review, edit, and tweak to, yeah, exactly the type of roadmap that we desire.